Honorable members, it is expected of this August House to take note of major national issues and related developments and place on record its views on the same for record and for posterity. The panic outbreak of the dreaded coronavirus across the globe and the efforts being made to contain its spread is a major contemporary issue which the House needs to take note of. The efforts of the central and state governments and the people of our country are particularly noteworthy. Yesterday was a super Sunday for our country. The voluntary curfew observed by the people of our country for 14 hours yesterday to contain the spread of this virus was unprecedented and heartwarming. The people of our country rose in unison to the call of national duty in this hour of crisis. This extraordinary response of the people was a clear demonstration of the collective resolve of the nation to address this formidable challenge. It was also heartening that a sense of gratitude and appreciation for the doctors, nurses, technicians, media, and all others who are in the forefront of the fight against the virus resonated across the country at 5 p.m. yesterday. This House takes note of this positive response and also the need to keep focused on concrete actions and keeping this spirit alive as we brace ourselves for the challenges ahead in the coming weeks. The central and state governments are doing their best to tide over the challenge. Several restrictions on the movement of the people are being imposed. This may certainly cause some inconvenience to the people, but extraordinary situations warrant extreme measures. It is important that we are agile and proactive, that we are responsible and responsive. It is critical that we respect the directions and follow them scrupulously. This House urges the people to bear with such restrictions and cooperate as they had done yesterday. The House records its appreciation of the overwhelming response of the people of the country to the call given by the Honorable Prime Minister, Sri Narendra Bhai Modi, for Janata Curfew yesterday and urge them to be guided by the same spirit till the war on coronavirus is finally won. The House also appreciates the central and state governments, various agencies, for their timely and effective interventions. This House also expressed the hope that collectively we shall overcome this huge challenge in the coming weeks. Honorable members may convey their feelings and appreciation of all concerned by thumping the dust, showing our solidarity. Papers to be laid on the table. Sri Prahlad Joshi.
Sir, on behalf of my...
Manitri ji ko bulaya unhi ko. Unless you want to replace Prahlad Joshi and you have the permission of your reader to say so.
Sir, with your permission, I rise to lay on the table of the House paper mentioned against my name in serial number 2 in today's list of business with regard to Coal Mine Special Provision Act 2015 to manage and operate Paratpur Central Coal Mine located in state of Jharkhand.
Babul is right. His name was first replacing Prakash Javadekar. Because I found Prakash Javadekar here, I thought, this thing. Okay. Sri Babul Supriyo.
Sir, with your kind permission, on behalf of my Honorable Minister for Information and Broadcasting, Sri Prakash Javadekar, I rise to lay papers on the table of the House that are listed against his name at serial number 1 in today's revised list of business.
Good.
Thank you, sir.
Sri Sripad Yeso Nayak.
Sir, I beg to lay on the table of the House the paper listed against my name at serial number 3 of today's revised list of business.
Sri Kiran Riju.
I rise to lay on the table of the House the copy of the papers mentioned against my name at serial number 4 in today's list of business.
Sri Mansukh Bhai Mandavia.
Sir, with your permission, I rise to lay on the table of the House the paper listed against my name at serial number 5 in today's list of business. This paper related to notifications issues under the Calcutta High Court Admiralty Rules 2019, Merchant Shipping Amendment Rules 2019, and Annual Report of IMU Chennai for the years 2018-19.
Sri Prahlad Joshi.
Sir, with your kind permission, on behalf of my colleague Shri Arjun Ram Meghwal, Minister for State in Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs, I rise to lay the papers mentioned against his name in serial number 6 in today's list of business.
General Retired V.K. Singh.
Sir, with your permission, I rise to lay papers mentioned against my name at serial number 7 of today's list of business concerning notifications of the Ministry on entrustment of some stretches of the National Highways to National Highway Authority of India, entrusting tolling of some stretches of National Highways to National Highway Authority of India, and amending of some notifications to substitute some entries in original notifications.
Shri Ratanlal Kataria.
मान्यवर सभापति महोदय, आपकी अनुमति से मैं आज की कार्यव्यवहार की सूची के क्रम संख्या 8 में अपने नाम के सामने उल्लिखित कागजात सभा पटल पर रखता हूं। थैंक यू।
Shri Pratap Chandra Sarangi.
Sir, with your permission, I rise to lay on the table of the House the papers mentioned against my name at serial number 9 in today's revised list of business.
Message from Lok Sabha, Secretary General.
Sir, with your kind permission, I rise to report that the Lok Sabha sitting held on the 20th of March 2020 passed the Indian Institutes of Information Technology Laws Amendment Bill 2020. I lay a copy of the bill on the table.
Statement of the Department Head Parliamentary Standing Committee on Information Technology, Sri Syed Nazir Hussain.
Sir, with your permission, I wish to lay 4 statements in Hindi and English showing further action taken by the government on the recommendations contained in the 55th, 56th, 57th and 58th action taken reports of the Standing Committee on Information Technology 2018-19 as listed against my name. Thank you.
Honorable members, I have to inform the House that a letter has been received from Dr. Manmohan Singh, member stating that due to ill health, he is unable to attend the sittings from 19th March till the remaining part of the current session. He has therefore requested for grant of leave of absence from 19th March till the end of the session during the current session of Rajya Sabha. Does he have the permission of the House for remaining absent from 19th March to the current session of Parliament? Permission to remain absent is granted. Okay. A bill for withdrawal. Private Detectives Agencies Regulation Bill. Kishan Reddy.
Honorable Chairman, sir, with your kind permission, on behalf of the Honorable Home Minister, Sri Amit Shah ji, I raise to move for leave to withdraw the Private Detective Agencies Regulation Bill 2007.
The question is that leave be granted to withdraw the bill. Those in favor will please say aye. Aye. Those against will please say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the ayes have it. The motion is adopted and the bill is withdrawn.